Hello and welcome to Captain Scarlet's kitchen. After the success of our rye bread, I thought I'll give a rye cake type thing a go. So gonna make a chocolate rye loaf. But first, a cup of tea. Oh, there's a train coming. Hello, train. You shall need 50 grams of butter, 150 grams of rye flour, 100 grams of flour, 2 teaspoons of where's the baking powder? 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 50 grams of cocoa powder, 2 eggs, 200 millilitres of coconut milk, whatever brand you want. These are normally 400 ml. Syrup, so I'm going to use some golden syrup, and you will need 80 millilitres, and you'll need 100 grams of chocolate. So this one is 200, so I'm just split it in half. Right, so we're going to add all the dry ingredients into the bowl. So 150 grams of rye flour, let's give the dry ingredients a quick mix. Now we need to mix all the wet ingredients in. So in goes the butter, in goes the coconut milk, in goes the maple syrup, which I have measured, and the eggs. With your chocolate, you're now going to want to cut it into chunks, and you're going to want to preheat your oven. So you're going to want to preheat your oven to gas mark 4 or 180 Celsius, which is 160 fan. So I'm going to add all these to that one final mix and in the pan. Right, this mixture does seem to be a bit thick, so I'm going to manually try and spread it so it is flat on the top. Right, so that's done. I've just prodded it. It has come up with a large split, but that's fine. But you can see the chocolate in there. So fingers crossed, it should be okay. So let's leave this to cool, and then we'll have a shut up, and then we'll have a bit. So after it's cooled down, it's looks a tad dry. But you can see the chocolate is in there. Let's give this a go. Okay. So, although I said it looked a bit dry, it's not. It's actually kind of moist. The only problem is it just tastes like the standard chocolate cake. There's not... The rye for me doesn't really add anything. But other than that, it came out a lot better than my chocolate brownies. So the higher quality chocolate I used in this cake is definitely a lot better than the chocolate I used in the brownies. Yeah, so give that a go. Let me know how you get on. But for now, I'm going to finish my cake. Okay, goodbye.